Where are you, Masa? Masa, where are you, Masa? Hey, we still trying to find Masa, man. We just found a plug. We think we might be successful tomorrow. So, you guys know I'm in Africa right now, spending time with the fam and everything. But on this journey, I've been looking for a dish that's called masa, right? And it's like a donut. It's like a donut. It's like a donut that's rice-based. So we've been looking around. Me and my cousin been searching for it. Hopefully y'all seen part one. I hope you guys seen part one, but we've been searching for it for a while. We haven't been able to find it. And well, we haven't been able to find it because they kind of discontinued making it, because I'm not sure why. But we were sent to one of the elders that used to make it, and we met her and her daughter, and she told us come back the next day. Come back tomorrow, which is today, and we could go out onto the market. We can go to the market with her and get the ingredients that we need to make masa. And she even took it a little bit further. Woo! She's gonna show us how to make it step by step, and I'm gonna get that all on camera. So we're gonna get some authentic masa made, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video, man. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and make sure y'all watch to the end, man. Do not skip the ads, please. I need to get paid. Just share all my videos if we can. Appreciate the love, guys. We almost had 1 kizzle. Yeah. Day 2 for the masa. We find the masa, we are going to find the ingredients for the masa. Yes, we are. Y'all stay tuned. Street life. Yup, there you go. The masa. Where are you, masa? Masa. Negotiating taxi price to go get the ingredients for the masa. Masa. We in the city. Masa, masa, where are you, masa? Dang, we out here, yo. It's crazy busy out here, guys. A lot of folks. We're literally in the middle of the market right now. As you can see, social distancing what? Social distancing where? I got a duck down to fit in here, yo. Hey, Yep, in the city. I think we're looking for the rice right now.
What out here warm, bro? Like the weather is like really warm.
Oh yeah. Yesterday was much cooler. I think yesterday was cooler, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay. different.
Yeah, grain that look way different. If it's a much they flop, the wider a little bit. Down the rice.
Finally.
What is that? That Charlotte damn. Australian rice. Okay. That was hard to find. We were searching all over for that. This in thick, yeah, fucking tell me. This is 100 because when they put the tags out and then you drop it. Yeah, you get top 50 on it.
Yeah, because how it change. Okay, how hate on them?
Yeah, what about hate?
Okay, oh, okay, alright.
Or if you buy
No, she buys something.
Oh, and then
Okay,
okay. Oh, lady, about to go again. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We have ginger, and what is this? Chili. Dry chili. We got ginger, some dry chili, y'all. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Right.
So we doing ginger, Conway,
Yeah.
ginger, and it's dry chili.
Yeah.
Okay. Conway. So what is this? This is what they use for.
No.
No?
It's powder, monosodium.
Oh, okay. That's it in the powder.
Monosodium.
Yeah. Onions there.
Oh, dang, what kind of onions are those?
Yeah, they're really small.
Oh, let me see.
Oh, okay. That's when any of you know it too. One ton every. Yeah. Open it now.
How much? How much again? 2. Oh. We got 3 by home, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, so the same thing. Oh. You got the same thing.
Yeah. When you eat it.
You got 2. That's some shit. Any y'all bottle like meaning palm oil?
Yeah, palm oil.
Oh, okay.
Midnight oil though.
You got some sugar. We got some sugar. What is it called? Achomo.
Yeah.
Get some achomo. Oh, they got them tied up. They'll run away.
Yeah. Come on.